What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video. Part 2 for cases for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. Today we have two different types of cases from i-Blason. So they sent these over to check out. Alright, so we have the Cosmo and Eris. You can pick them up on Amazon. I'll leave in the links down in the description. So these, from what it seems like, are going to be more stylish focused cases. So right here is the Cosmo. So very shiny. Let's take a look. So it looks like it is a dual kind of layer type case. So here we are. So interesting. So this is like a TPU, kind of rubbery, and then the back kind of is like reinforced with hard plastic. So you're going to get a good amount of drop protection, and it'll actually look stylish for you if you want to go with this style. Kind of have this like goldish kind of reflective mirror pattern in the middle, and then what it looks like to be maybe waves or stone, ocean. I don't know, it's tough to tell. So we throw your phone into the frame like this, and then you have the phone and the frame going into the rest of the case itself. So there you go. You have your buttons over here on the side, which are nicely kind of separated from each other, even the volume up and down. So those are nice and easy to feel and find by itself. Nice protection for your camera, and then even on the front as well. So you can see that amount of lip. Now, you're going to want to get a screen protector. I'm not sure how well these cases are going to be supported in terms of screen protector friendliness, but you might have to just try that. Unfortunately, I don't have a Note 10. I don't think I'm going to be getting one unless some miracle happens. But you're still going to get nice feel from the side from swiping in at least. And then you have access to your ports, your S Pen down here as well. So there you go. So that is the Cosmo. Let's go ahead and get this phone out. So the Cosmo series runs for about $18 to $20, probably depending on the color and if there's any sort of coupons. But here is the other one. This one has like a marble kind of sand water look to it. Here we can see the two different colors side by side. Cosmo series down at the bottom there. And then this one is more like oceany, silvery, like a light blue, kind of like a ocean green blue color. That's kind of what the back looks like. Resembles kind of ocean water, marble, sand maybe, kind of like with the waves. This one does too, and to a certain degree, but this one's kind of more of the color hues are just slightly different there. So yeah, so there's the Cosmo. And then the Eris is another dual layer protection case, but this one's more clear all the way on the back. This one's actually quite interesting. So this is alright, let's actually get these plastic off there. So the back is a nice soft touch rubber silicone, and that feels great. You have these gold accents along the side and then the front frame here. And then you have actually a port cover for your USB-C port. Let's go ahead and get our phone, slap it in, actually neatly, precisely place it into the front frame. And there you have it. And then now you have a nice little gold accent around the USB-C port, gold accent on the back and around the front. So the black Note 10, Note 10 Plus actually looks really great in this case. The sides feel great. It's a little slippery just because it's brand new. It might become grippier. My hands are clean, so there's really no grease or grime on them. The buttons feel actually really nice. They are easy to find and separated just like before on the the Cosmo series. But this nice gold accent is pretty tasteful. I don't like gold, but actually kind of goes pretty nicely with this. So there's that. You have the gold accents from the front frame kind of peek out around. You'll have easy access to your S Pen down here. Nice drop protection all around. And then it looks like we have a blue variant of the same one. Ooh, yeah, this blue one is the ticket right here. This one looks nice. Let's go ahead and throw this one in real quick. Getting out of the case is actually a little troublesome. Yeah, this one looks real nice. I like this blue color. All right, finally got the case separated from the frame. We're gonna stick the phone in the front frame as always, and the bottom slides in just like that. There you go. Oh yeah, that blue looks really nice. You can see there. I'm not sure how the blue Note 10 would look like in this with this blue accent. It might clash, but you never know. But this black and blue, oh yeah, that is nice. So yeah, so you get nice thick corner drop protection. So your phone is going to be protected. Everything else is the same. You get that kind of like the peak of blue around through in here. Looks good. All the camera cutouts. Feels nice. Doesn't add a lot of bulk. Maybe for the Note 10 Plus, it'll be more bulky just because it's already a bigger phone. But for the smaller Note, this is still quite manageable for sure. So yeah, so I'll leave the links all in the description where you can pick up the Aris and the Cosmo series from i-Blason or i-Blason. So depending on the style you want, the amount of protection you might be going for, you have these two styles, but my favorite is going to be this blue one. That looks so good. So anyways, sorry, getting distracted. Yeah, thank you all for watching. If you guys have questions on any of these, let me know in the comments. I'll see you on the next one.